Hello everyone, today I want to share with you in this video how to make cute Spongebob SquarePants desserts for a birthday party or themed birthday. Today I'm making the character Plankton and Seaweed out of pretzel stick. These are super cute desserts that are beginner friendly and also really easy to make and budget friendly. These are just one of the dessert options I will have on the Spongebob themed dessert table that I'm creating. So let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. You're going to need soft, chewy caramels. You will need pretzel rods. I divided the pretzel rods between the two different characters. I put them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Some other ingredients you'll need are white chocolate melts, oil-based food coloring, and containers for dipping the pretzels. To begin, you're going to roll the caramel between the palm of your hands to make it very thin, like a little rod. Then you're going to place the caramel on the top of the pretzel rod and press down, and you're going to hold the caramel onto the pretzel rod. With your other hand, you're going to pull and stretch the caramel around the pretzel rod. Now, even though I stretched it far, I recommend only stretching it halfway. It's just easier when you're dipping it in the chocolate. But this is how they look once they are wrapped in the caramel. Now, one thing I will mention, do not put your caramel all together in one because they will lump up. You're going to have to individually unwrap those caramels. So here are what the pretzels look like when they're all wrapped in the caramel. And you also want to make sure that when you are layering them down that you do not have them touching because they will stick like this. You're going to dip the pretzels in cooled chocolates covering the caramel. And then you're going to tap all of the excess chocolate off. You're going to lay it down on the parchment paper and allow them to dry. I use different shades of green chocolate for the seaweed, and this is how they ended up looking. They are a little time consuming, but they look super cute at the dessert table. I also dipped the other pretzels halfway in green chocolate so that I could do the plankton design. For the plankton design, you're also going to need yellow and red melting chocolate. I used a Ziploc bag because I'm able to cut the tip and get really nice details. And so the first thing I did was make the eyeballs with the yellow chocolate melt. Once you have done that, then you're going to add a drip of the red chocolate melt on top of the yellow eye. This is how they look, and you're going to make sure that these dry completely. Then I use dark chocolate for this, for the eyebrows, but you can also use black melting chips. They just need to be the melting chips, not regular chocolate. It needs this to harden. But this is how they looked when they came out. Super cute. This is a great way to get two designs out of the same type of ingredients, but they each taste different. You have one of the pretzel sticks, which is plankton, that's coated in just the chocolate. These are really cute and a simple design, not super hard to do. But then you also have the other ones that have the caramel wrapped around, and it doesn't have to be neat or perfect in any way. They still come out super cute. So here are some of the other designs I created for the dessert table for the Spongebob themed squared pants party. So in the next video, I'll show you the next dessert that I did for the Spongebob themed dessert table, and these are all budget friendly.